Hello, and welcome to Success is a Quest. I am Michael Redrow, and today we are going to talk about how to be more positive, and we're going to give you an amazing technique to help you fight depression and create positive beliefs in your life. So stay tuned. Welcome back. I recently decided to make this video because I just read that around 12% of men and 20% of women will at some point be depressed in their life. And I feel like this number is only going to grow over time if we don't make some changes and realize that happiness comes from within us. It doesn't come from money. It doesn't come from items. It really truly does come from within us through our thoughts and our beliefs. Negative emotions and thoughts can cause pains, fatigue, turmoil, So in our lives, we must fight this by creating positive thoughts and feelings within our mind. You can train your mind to have positive thoughts that make you feel happy and more effective in your daily life. It seems like we always have a running commentary within our own mind, and some days that commentary may make you feel good and have great thoughts, and some days that commentary may make you feel depressed or anxious and trigger negative thoughts. So in our daily lives, over the next 6 weeks, I'm going to give you a process that will help you to create more positive thoughts and help you to succeed in the future. The process that I'm going to show you is called the craft method. If you use this method every day for 6 weeks and practice selecting new beliefs and eliminate old beliefs, you will create a great, amazing new life for yourself. We all have a choice either to control the thoughts in our mind or let the thoughts in our mind control us. So with that being said, let's get straight into this process. Step number 1 of the craft process is to cancel. You have to cancel old memories and negative beliefs by saying to yourself, I want to cancel blank memory. By hearing yourself say the word cancel, it will reinforce the focus of removing negative memories in your mind. Step number 2 is replace. You have to replace the old data and thoughts with new positive data that basically help you replace the old negative memories with positive thoughts. Step number 3 is you need to affirm. You have to affirm to yourself in writing with affirmation cards and write out positive statements defining your new self-image. So then after you do that, you need to place these cards at work, at home, in your kitchen, in your bathroom, almost everywhere where you could take a peek at them throughout the day. So the only way that you can begin to get a new self-image is if your brain is in the process of changing. And then these affirmations and the cards that you're using can take full effect. You must affirm to yourself every day that you are changing for the next 6 weeks, or the change will not work. Number 4, you have to focus. You have to focus on an image of a successful you. Your brain works on pictures, and affirmations, as we talked about in the last step, are a great start, but visualization is crucial to reprogramming your mind. So you have to use mental pictures to visualize the success that you want to achieve. So the best way to do that is by daydreaming about your success daily. A daydream is nothing but a visualization of how you want your life to be. The last step in the craft method is to train. You have to train yourself for lasting change. You have to act as if you already have what you are attempting to achieve. And it may be hard for you to imagine, but if you follow this process, you can allow yourself to believe and achieve almost anything that you want in your life. To you, this may seem like a simple process, but if you follow the craft system for 6 weeks, you will begin to see a change in your life that you never expected. So, what do you really have to lose? Okay, so let's recap. You have to use the craft method for 6 weeks to get the most improvement. One more time, here is a recap of what the craft method stands for. The C stands for cancel. So you will have to cancel out all of the negative thoughts that you had in the past. And the R stands for replace, which you will replace those old negative thoughts with new thoughts. A is affirm, so you will affirm your brain with, by writing out new thoughts, and then you will focus on them daily to help you to get better. And then T, you will train your mind for lasting success. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching this video about how to be more positive by doing the craft method. This will give you a new life and help you to fight depression that you may have in your life. As I mentioned earlier, depression comes from within our own brain. So you have to first start by changing the thoughts that happen within you, and then you can begin to have a new successful future. I hope you will attempt to use this method for the next 6 weeks and let us know the results by coming back to this video and commenting in the comment section about how the craft method has worked for you and if you are seeing any changes throughout your 6 weeks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It takes a lot of work to put these videos together, and with everything going on with the coronavirus and working, it's really tough to get these videos out to you guys. So please, if you are interested in success videos, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for future videos. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching, and always remember that success is a quest. Thank you guys for watching.